Hey y'all, welcome back to another workout. Today we're working on our bikini hourglass body. We're shaping and toning our curves with 10 highly effective moves to give you that gorgeous summer ready body that you're definitely gonna want to show off. Need a warm up? There's one linked in the card above. All right, y'all, ready to work out with me? Let's go. As you're doing this move, you're going to want to put those hands together, rainbow, or move them in a circle over your head, and then step that leg back. Rainbow, step back, and we'll just keep that going. For this move, you're going to reach up and pull down with power, making sure that as you pull down, those shoulder blades are touching, and then you're going to do a step back. Don't forget to engage your core and breathe as you go. For these rotations, really engage that core as you are rotating to the side. Squeeze those glutes, and if you can, dig a little deeper or squat a little lower to get the full effect of this workout. As you're in this lunge, really try to lunge deeply, elbows and arms almost touching that knee, and then lift that leg up. As you lift that leg up, draw in your core. Y'all, this move is really going to smooth out and tone those love handles. We're definitely going to do a 3-step move and then cross rotation crunch, 3-step move, cross rotation crunch, and we're going to keep that going, drawing in our core as we go. We're going to do a combo move here. We're going to do an out and in squat, out, in, and then we're going to do a knee crunch, drawing in that core. All right, so we're going to go out, in, crunch, crunch, and we're going to keep this going. We got this. For this move, we're going to do a step jack, and then we're going to do a low squat, step jack, and low squat. A pro tip here is you're going to want to really get deep down into that squat, putting your weight on your heels as you squat to really get a good booty burn. For this move, we're going to do a double knee to elbow crunch, then reset that leg by putting it down, double knee crunch, and we're going to keep that going, and then we'll switch sides after 30 seconds. this move, we're going to start off with a reverse lunge, and then we're going to kick out that knee and pull it in. Reverse lunge, kick and pull in that knee. We're going to draw in our core as we do this and keep this going. All right, y'all, we've got 15 more seconds in the workout. Let's go ahead and push. Let's work. Let's go. We got this. Yes, y'all, we did it. Awesome, amazing job. I can't wait to see your bikini body results soon. The workout does not have to stop here. Below are 2 amazing options to keep the workout going. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.